How to add background music in After Effects. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open any one of the video editing app, click on New Project and select the video in which you want to include the background music. Once you do, go to Audio option from the bottom. Click on any one of the option. If you want to include a default sound, go to Sound option and select the song. Once you have heard it, if you like it, simply click on plus icon beside it. Now you can scroll the cursor and split the music from the part which you want to include in your video. And the extra part you can simply split it again and delete it. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.